Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, children. Good evening to all.
Good evening, ma'am.
How are you all?
Fine, ma'am.
Fine, ma'am.
Okay.
Fine.
So we are done with this chapter. I think so. No, we have finished this chapter.
Yes, ma'am. I think we are done.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Done. Yeah, I was thinking you still have to do this. Chalo, never mind. Let's take the next chapter, that is fractions and decimals. Okay. So let's write down fractions and decimals. So this is your chapter number 3, fractions and decimals. Okay. So see, children, we know there are so many types of fractions, is it? Improper fractions, proper fractions, like fractions, unlike fractions, mixed fractions we have, equivalent fractions, is that? And I don't think we need to repeat this again. Hmm? We should get deep into it. Like fractions are those which have same denominators, right? Unlike fractions are those which have denominators different. Okay. And proper and improper fractions, these are fractions having numerator greater than denominator are improper fractions. Okay, in which the numerator is greater. And the fractions which have numerator less than the denominator, that is called proper fraction. Okay, mixed fraction you all know. It is a whole number and a fraction.
A whole plus and
It is
fraction.
a mix of whole and a fraction. That's called mixed fraction. Okay. And when we reduce the fraction to some
Yes.
lowest form, if till there should not exist any common number between them. Okay, only one should be the common number between. That is called the lowest form. Basically, I'll explain you here. Now, suppose if you have the lowest form, I say 10 by 15. Okay, this is the fraction you reduce it to the lowest form means I will just divide this by 5. Whatever I divide it with, It should be both up and down, with the numerator with the denominator. So 5 cubes are and 5 cubes will give me 50. Now, can I further see anything common in between this
No, ma'am.
numerator and denominator? If I
No,
take
ma'am.
the HCF of numerator and denominator, is there any highest common factor between them? It's only one. Is it? So now this I will call as this is the lowest form. Okay? This is the lowest form of the fraction. Right? And this is one more form of an equivalent fraction also. We call it this fraction is an equivalent form of this also. Is it? If we are asked to find some equivalent fractions of 2 by 5, 2 by 3, what do? If I multiply with 2, you get 4 by 6. If I multiply with 3, you get 6 by 9. So these are all equivalent fractions, okay? And if I tell you this 2 by 3, so 2 by 3, if I multiply this with 5, I get 10 by 15. So this is also an equivalent fraction of this. Okay, we get the fractions by multiplying also, we get the fractions equivalent fraction by dividing also. Okay. Okay,
Ma'am, what about addition and subtraction?
addition, subtraction of fractions. Okay, that also we'll do. If it is there in this chapter, we'll definitely do. Suppose if you have two fractions, 2 by 3 and 4 by 5, then how do we do the addition of this? We take the LCM of the denominators. Okay. Now here I can see
Yes.
LCM of the denominator. There is nothing
50.
common in between. So I just take multiply them 15. Okay. Then 3 5s is 15. So I will multiply 2 with 5.
10.
Will give me 10. Okay. Yes, I get 10. This is 2 and 3 5s is 15. So I multiplied this by 5. Or even if you want to do it separately, you can see like this. I want to make this 3 as a denominator should be 15. So I multiply this with 5. So I get 10 by 15. And I want to make 4 by 5 also as 15. Denominator 15. So I multiply this with 3. So I get 12 by 15. Now when I add
12.
these, okay, 10 by 15 plus 12 by 15. Now I get 22 by 15. Okay.
22 by 15.
So you can do it like this separately also.
Yes, ma'am.
Here also you can do it 10 plus, and this was 5 threes are, so 4 threes are is 12. So this also came the same 22 by 15. Okay. Understood this? Similarly, when you have
Yes, ma'am.
subtraction, you do for subtraction also. अब सारा कुछ आपने एक ही पेज पे थोड़ा पढ़ लेना है. We'll study more. We'll go deep into that. What is given in the chapter. Okay. We will come to everything. We'll do everything. How to divide fractions, how to multiply, how to subtract. Okay.
And ma'am, the second chapter is fractions and decimals or fractions.
Fractions and decimals, both. Okay. In the first part of the
Okay.
chapter, you have about fractions. And in the later part of the chapter, you have decimals. Okay. Okay, now coming, the
Okay.
next topic is addition and subtraction of fractions only. This topic only. Addition. Have you done addition and subtraction of fractions in your previous class?
Ma'am,
Yes,
we
ma'am.
had done in 6th grade only. Ma'am,
Okay.
LCM.
Yeah, okay, so I'll give you some sums now based on this. Okay, if you know that how to do. Okay, so take the first one, and this 2 into 2 by 3 plus 3 1 by 2. Do this and don't tell your answer until I ask you. Everyone must do these questions, then we'll compare the answers, right?
What, ma'am?
Everyone must do these questions. Okay, not only the one whom I'm asking,
Okay.
everyone has to do. Then we will compare everyone's answer. Done?
No.
Okay, first one must have done. Tell me what do you get for first one?
Ma'am, who are you asking?
Please repeat, you tell.
Ma'am, I got 37 by 6.
37 by 6. Okay. What about others? Others also got the same answer?
Ma'am, I got
Ma'am, I got 6
37
1
by
by
6.
6.
Yes, ma'am. We
1 by
converted into mixed fraction.
Okay, no, just tell me, that you can do, of course. Okay, so that becomes 6 6 are 36, so 6 1 by 6. So 6 1 by 6 is this only, the same. So everyone
Yes,
got
ma'am.
this?
Same.
Good, Sritesh.
Yes,
Okay, do the next one. Have you all done the second part?
no, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Quick,
We are
fast.
doing.
No, ma'am, I'm done with second one. I'm done with second.
Okay, good, Bachchan. Okay, Siddhant, tell me your answer for the second one.
Ma'am, I got 5.
Huh?
Ma'am, I got 5.
5. This,
Yes, ma'am.
everyone
Yes.
got the same? Everyone
Ma'am,
got,
for second one,
yes,
ma'am, I didn't get 5. I got 4 7 by 8.
yes.
Ma'am, I got something else. I got 4 7 by 8.
So this will be first you just convert this to this improper fraction 16 plus 1.
Ma'am,
17 by
improper fraction is 39 by 8.
39 by 8.
8.
Okay. So how did you get 5, Siddhant?
Uh, Ma'am, actually, I don't know, ma'am. I did the same process.
8 4 is 32, 32, and then you want 39. So that means how much will you add here?
4 7 by 8.
Huh. So that's 4 7 by
Ma'am, let me recorrect my answer.
do. Okay. Ashwath, have you done the third part? Ashwath,
Ma'am, I'm getting 8. 1 by 2 is equals to, in improper fraction, I got it as 20. Correct, ma'am.
8 1 by 2 you said, no? So that's 17 by 8.
Yes,
This you
yes,
said,
ma'am.
no? This is
7.
your answer. Are all getting the same for third answer? 8 1 by 2.
Ma'am, I'm still doing 1 minute.
Okay, do. Yes,
Yes,
chat
ma'am.
charges, please write in the chat box. Written, the voice is not clear. Give your answer in the chat box.
Ma'am, I did a simplified version and I got something else, ma'am.
Just a second. Try the next one also, we'll discuss.
Ma'am, I got 2 3 by 5.
Yes, ma'am, 29.
Ma'am, it's 26 by 10. I simplified it and I got 2 3 by 5.
Okay. Others also, please compare your answers. 36, just give me the, tell me your
Ma'am,
answer again.
3 5 by 8 is equals to, I think, 29 by 8.
What is that?
Because 29 by 8.
29 by
As
8.
3,
Everyone is getting
as
different answer. Why so? Take the LCM of 2, 5 and 10. Huh? Okay. So you have 2 here, 1, 1. So that's 10 only. 4 is 15.
Ma'am, I got the answer for the third one.
How?
Ma'am, basically in
Ma'am,
the
it's
second
2.
one, 6 by 10.
So this is 11 plus 15. 11 plus 15 is 26 by 10.
Ma'am, the improv. Yes, ma'am, I got 26 by 10, but the mixed form is
Okay,
2
okay.
6 by 10.
No, it's okay. Chalo. Even if you are doing, it's not necessary to keep them in the mixed form. You can keep it like this one. Okay, do the next.
Ma'am, basically I got my mistake, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, in the second one, basically what I did is for the 3 8 by 5, I just wrote it as 28. That's why I got wrong.
Okay. Never mind, Mitchell. You can make a correction.
Yeah, ma'am, that is only the thing that I got wrong.
Okay, no problem. That's good. You got your mistake.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the third one is
Third one is done. Uh, do the fourth one.
ma'am, what is the answer for third one?
26 by 10.
Ma'am, can't it be simplified?
It can be simplified. You can write it in
Ma'am, the
the next
simplified
box.
version is 13 by 5. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Do the next one. Yes, give the last answer.
Ma'am, still doing it. Has a very big LCM.
Oh, very big.
Ma'am, it has past century LCM.
Okay, okay, do that, do that.
Yes, ma'am.
I got the answer.
Write your answer in the chat box.
I'm 833 into 112. 833
Write
by
it in the chat box, beta. Let others also do, then we will check, okay? We will compare the answer. Got your answer?
Ma'am, I got. I'm just checking. Ma'am, the first fraction 1 3 by 8 minus 2 1 by 6 gives a negative, ma'am, because 1 3 by 8 is smaller than 2 1 by 6. So that's why I'm still checking.
Okay, do.
Ma'am, what I did is I just subtracted the bigger number from the smaller number because I
See,
also
here
got
you will get some big numbers. When you take the LCM and you finally get your numerator value, you will get some big, big multiplications here. Okay.
Ma'am, I'm done.
Okay, so what is your answer, Sritej? Give me the final answer that you got.
Ma'am, it's 313 by 120.
330,
Ma'am, 313.
313.
Yes, ma'am. 313 by 120.
Okay. Others also, please give your answers. Let's see. It's
I got 833 by 112.
you have given your answer. Okay, let me check.
I'm 833 by 112.
You have given 833 by 120. 833 by 120. Okay, yeah, I'll take your answer also. Okay, let's take everyone's answer. Let's see what is the majority. Okay, so do this question. By the time we'll move ahead. Okay. Okay, I'm giving you one statement sum here.
Ma'am, I got 403 by 120.
Oh, everyone is getting different answers.
Mom,
Yes, Aishwarya.
I got 503 by 120.
503 by 120. Everyone has got different answer. Why so? Is it so difficult? Huh? Just check your multiplication. There is only multiplication to be checked.
Ma'am, I guess they made wrong in the integer question, ma'am. I also once got 503, but I realized that the 95 has minus sign. So that's why I did subtraction.
Okay. So never mind. After the class, you can sit down and do it peacefully. Okay.
Ma'am, can you check it?
Okay, I'll check this. Let me do that. 8. This is 11 by 8. Okay. The next one is 12, 13 by 6. This is 15. 15 into 2 is 15 plus 2. 17 by 5.
17
Okay.
by 5.
1 second, 1 second. So now you take the LCM
Ma'am,
of
LCM
this
is
is
120.
120. You know, if you take the LCM, maybe this only 2 3s are 2 4s are 5. So 2 4s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 into 5 is how much? 5 4s are 20, 10, that's 120. Okay, so 8 into 120. 8 into 120 means multiplying by 15. So this is 8 into 120. That means 15. 11. Can you tell me what is the answer? 15 into 11 is what? Give me 15 into 11.
Ma'am, 165.
Mom, 165.
65. Okay. Just a second. 165. Okay. Then next is 6 to be 6 है और ये 120 करना है हमने. So that means 20 से multiply होगा. So 13 into 20 is how much?
260. 260, Mom.
260 plus 5. 5 to be brought to 120. So 5 कितने से
24.
multiply होगा? 8 3 24. So 17 into 24 is how much?
408.
Give me correct answer. थोड़ा भी गलत आंसर दिया तो बिल्कुल मेरा भी गलत हो जाएगा. Okay. What is 17 into 24?
408.
408. अब हम इनको ऐड करेंगे. Let's do 165 plus 408 is how much? That's 573. Now 573 minus 260 is how much? Do it and tell me. This is 313 by 120. So it's this.
Ma'am, I got the same answer, ma'am.
So this is the answer. Okay. 313 by 120. Ritesh has given this answer.
I got the same answer.
Great. Okay. So this was it. Only thing was the multiplication here. You had to do these multiplications. Okay. So we'll do some statement sums also. But we'll do statement sums in the next class. Now I'll just give you 2-3 sums. So because the class time is about to get over. So do this multiplication. Okay. 6 into 5 by 7. Do this one.
30 by 7.
Okay. Then do 5 into
30 by 7.
3 by 4.
Ma'am, 55 by 4. I'm 55 by 4.
So see in multiplication, what do you do? Yes, Aishwarya? Okay. So what do you do in multiplication? You just multiply numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. Okay. And here also when you have mixed fraction, you will convert it to improper fraction. So that becomes 4 to the 8, 8 plus 3 is 11. So that becomes 55 by 4. Okay, numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. Same way here, when there is no denominator, it means denominator is 1. Okay, so numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. So that's 28 by 5. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, now do this. Half of 10. What is half of 10?
5.
5.
Five.
Just by listening, you can say 1 by 4 of 16.
12.
When the word of is written, no, it means it is multiplied. Okay. Whenever word of is written here like this, it means it is multiplied. So half of 10 means half multiplied by 10. Okay.
Ma'am, the second one is 4.
Okay. 2/5 of 25. So 2/5 of 25
10.
of
Ma'am, 10.
15. Yes. So 5 times, so that's 10. Okay. Okay. 1/4 of a rupee. What is 1/4 of a rupee? Rupee,
25 paisa.
in rupee, we have 100 pesos. So we will write here 100
Ma'am,
pesos.
25.
Okay, so
Ma'am,
that's
25.
25 paisa.
so of a rupee. So 1/4 of a rupee is 25 pesos. Okay, 1/6 of the day. 1/6 of day. Off लिखा है तो off means multiply. Day has 24 hours.
Ma'am, 4 hours.
Hours.
Okay, so 1/6 of a day is 4 hours, right?
Yes.
2/5 of a kg. Do this. 2/5 of a kg.
Ma'am, 400.
Okay. See, in kg we have 1000 grams. Okay, so we'll write like this. So this becomes 5 2s are 2. So this is 400 grams. Okay. Okay. Now next one is 1/3 of 2 years. This is the last question. Then we'll wind up. 1/3 of 2 years. Now 2 years is, in 1 year there are 12 months. So 2 years is how many months? 24 months. So,
Ma'am, 8.
so 3 into 24 will be 8.
8.
Okay. 1 by 3 into 24 will be 8. So we have done some addition and subtraction sums, and we did some very basic multiplication of fractions. Okay, so in the next class we will do some statement sums. Okay, right, children? And when we finish, we are very much about to finish the fraction part also now. Then we will move to decimal part. Okay, so let's end the class here.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you for today. Bye bye. Good night.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, Vita.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye bye bye.
Bye, ma'am.